International friends. How do you make them and why? My name is Skyla and welcome to my channel. Let's start with the why. Well, the first one and the most important one in my opinion is being more open-minded. Learning about people's lives and experiences helps you understand and accept differences, which is a great quality to have. Number 2. For my fellow polyglots or wannabe polyglots, practicing your target language with a local is a great tool. And you guys can do an exchange. You teach them English and they teach you your target language. And number 3, who doesn't need more friends? And if they're international, even better. And now on the how, where you can do it online or in person. If you do it in person, you're gonna have to get creative and use the resources in your city, because each city is different. For the in-person option, attend meetups, but in general, attend places that expats in your city would go to. What is the thing that we do in my age? We go to school. So attend international school. But if you can't do that, and you can't go to school because there is none in your city or none of them are public, attend events or international events. Call the embassy. All embassies have monthly events, either cultural, sports, food, anything. If you can't make friends in person, you can make friends online. These days, I know that we all feel a lot more comfortable talking to people online. Today, I have friends from Chile, Brazil, Japan, Portugal, Germany, and even though I've never met them, I consider them my friends. And we all share the same interests, languages and traveling. And it feels amazing to have friends from around the world who share the same interests as you. You might be asking, but Gala, how do I make friends online? Well, one option is YouTube. Well, you can use YouTube in 2 ways. Either find videos and watch videos that you enjoy, that way you make friends that have the same interests as you, or watch videos that international people would like to watch, such as languages, moving abroad, culture videos. Once you find those videos, go down to the comments section and engage with the people that commented. Read what they wrote, ask them questions. We all like talking about ourselves, right? And once you engage, you'll find out that there's so many different people around the world that want to be your friend. The second option is social media. If you're young, please ask your parents for permission. What I love about social media is that I get to read and learn a little bit about the person by reading their bio. Also, Instagram and social media is a great way to continue engaging and talking to the people that I met through YouTube. Tip: be bold. Be the one that starts the conversation, because for many people, making friends does not happen naturally. Want to be my friend? Follow me on Instagram. I'm back home. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao, ciao!